Hi friends, today we are going to talk a very important area which is not only affects the public life, it also affects the society at large. Public policy and good governance is the topic we are going to discuss today. As all of you know that what Abraham Lincoln says, democracy is an institution which functions only with the consent of the people. That means the authentication of public is extremely important for the successful functioning of governance. So if the administration is to deliver, then we have to have a very good governance system. So the public policy and good governance is the key subject of research, key subject of discussion, debates, and you will not believe the topmost institutes of the world, even in MIT, there is a school called Public Policy and Good Governance. I myself have been trained in the Oxford University on good governance and public policy. Not as an IAS officer, my role, what I should do, how I must deliver, how must it should be people friendly, that is important for the day. My dear friends, as all of you know, that every good governance depends on few factors. The first fundamental factor is rule of law. Rule of law is very important. If we follow the rule book, the administration runs in perfect track. That is the catch. Law bound is the important pillar in good governance. An authority must know his subject. He must understand the laws of the land. He must understand how these laws of the land or the constitution or whatever the statutory laws, they are follow in its letter and spirit. That is called the rule of law to be followed. The second important aspect of good governance is accountability. Accountability is important because we are not as an authority to just to deliver. We have to be accountable for this. We must be responsible. We must understand that whatever we are delivering, we are responsible for that. So that is called accountability. And this accountability is both inward and outward. Both the ways it is from the up, from the below, we all are responsible in a system. That is called accountability. And the third thing is that, which is also very important, is it called the transparency. For the good governance, transparency is the key word, key factor. Everything has to be done by following a due procedure of law so that everything should appear transparent. It should not only it is to be appear transparent, it should be transparent in its letter and spirit. Everything should be in the public domain. Whatever we do, our conduct, official conduct has to be very, very clear to the public. Public must know, they have a right to know what the transparency in our particular job we have executed. That is also very important. And what is more important, that responsiveness. You see, as an authority, as an administration, as a bureaucrat, we can always deliver. But the feedback, the responsiveness of the public is also important. By that, you record the healthy criticism of a particular law or any kind of criticism which is not public is not comfortable with. We must adopt, listen, adopt, and if necessary, then we can make the amendments. That is called the responsiveness of the government. And responsiveness is not only to react to a situation, we also must record the feedbacks, how the public is reacting to something. And we also have to see that a particular law has to stand the test of time. It has to be delivered in such a manner that the people are happy. What is important at the end of the day? In a welfare state, as all of you know, that it is the public which has to be safe, secured, and they must be happy. And this happiness should come through only through good governance. From time immemorial, right from the Chanakya's rule book to till now, every time the good governance and the public policy has dominated the entire governance system. So my dear friends, we must understand the key factors of good governance, by which not only we can make the administration more transparent, more functional, and it can really people friendly. It will be a system where for everybody it is a win-win situation. Thank you.